Welcome back, you guys, to another video. I'll be showing you guys how to install shaders onto Minecraft. So your game can look really good. So first thing, I'll open up your browser. You want to download Optifine. Optifine downloads. Okay. These are all the versions they have. You want to download the version for the one you're using, what Minecraft version you're using, or what shader you're using, what version it's for. So for each version, for 15.1.15, go preview versions. Download this one. The link will be in the description. And now I'll use this link, shaders for example. The link will also be in the description. This is a site where it has like shaders for Minecraft. This is Zeus or Sonic or Zeus. Okay, there's an about page. You have lots of shaders or ray tracing, I guess, but Zeus renewed. Two of these other ones, but this is the one you to get. So you get this. You press download. You download it. Then you want to download Optifine first though. Then you go through all the I'm just not download it just to go with it. So go through here. Don't click on any of this. Just wait. Skip. Download. I already have it, so I'm gonna press cancel. It might redirect you to that, to Roblox. I'm gonna open my download of it. So I was gonna go through here. You select where Minecraft is installed. You press install. That's it. You go through all the install procedures. So once you get to the Minecraft, let's launch up Minecraft. You want to launch up the Optifine once you install it. Well, make sure you downloaded the latest version of Minecraft as well, or whatever you're using. Make sure you have played on that version. So I'm gonna press play. So go options. As you see, it's modded, so it's using different. It's not vanilla. So I go video settings. Click on shaders. Okay, well this is like a future me. I forgot to explain how to put this into this. So go to options, video settings, shaders folder. I forgot to do this stuff. Shaders folders. Go here. Get your shaders. Drag it in here. That's all. Done. Then you select. I'm gonna try this one, but select. That's all. These are my shaders I have. This is the one we download. I told you guys to download, or you can download any one you want for whatever version you're using. So Zeus for new, the one I just downloaded. So you go to then you can just choose what you mess with the settings over here. And your game. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys how it might look. This is my survival realm, pure survival. Let's see, the water looks really nice. The trees move. Look, I used to get like 200 FPS because the shader is kind of demanding. It brings down my FPS. That's a little. It just makes your game really look nice. These are some things you want to look out for. Video settings. These are the things I came across. So, this is upsetting, but go details. Make sure you have. Well, I have. Here's my settings I have. Make sure you have sky on. or else you're gonna have this weird effect. Let's see if I can. Well, I can't replicate it. We should have sky on. That's it makes it look weird. There's some like weird things happen in the sky. So have that on. This all these settings you want to keep on. That's how I keep mine. And I haven't seen any issues. Leave a like and subscribe if you liked the video. Have any questions? Leave a comment down below.